Nicole and this is cestmavie. On today's video, this is going to be a travel guide of Cabo San Lucas. Stuff to do, things to see, and so many other things. Bye! Already in my gate waiting to go to San Jose de Cabo with my mom. I don't know if you noticed, but most of the signage here is in Spanish. I am traveling from Mexico to go to Cabo. We're in the Tijuana airport. I've actually traveled here a million times and it's very easy. The airport is kind of small so you won't get lost. So we just decided to travel to Tijuana because it's just a direct flight. It's 2 hours, very easy. I'm back. We just got here to Cabo. We are finally at our hotel. So the hotel that we're staying right now, it's here on my bracelet. It's called Hacienda del Mar Los Cabos Golf and Resort. It used to be a Sheraton hotel and I guess they bought it and now they redid it and it's amazing. This hotel is located not in Cabo or in San Jose del Cabo, which are like the two cities here. It's kind of in the middle, but a little closer to Cabo, just so I can give you an image of that. So here is the map that they gave us. Okay, the air worked with me, not against me. So here is Cabo San Lucas, and this is San Jose del Cabo, the two cities here. The most popular one would be Cabo because there's where the Marina is, the downtown center, and everything. So our hotel, as I said, is kind of in between. Let me find it.
What is that?
Oh, okay, found it. Because it still has the old name here. Here is our hotel, the Sheraton, which is now Hacienda del Cabo. And here is Cabo. So we are 20 minutes from the center of Cabo San Lucas. We are here because it's my mom's birthday. And actually we kind of planned this last minute. That's why we didn't get one of the hotels in the center of Cabo, because everything was already booked. Staying here for a week, and I'm just gonna show you guys what we did here in Cabo. All of the different activities, all of the tours, and I'll obviously put the links down below for everything. Maybe you guys want to check it out, and I'll give my honest review. Hey guys, so on the first tour of the week today, we're going to go to the center of Cabo San Lucas and we're taking a boat up to the Ark. This is a really famous kind of tour to do when you're here, to go on a boat and see the Ark. But the different about this tour is that this tour is a clear boat tour. It was $50 and then they pick you up from the hotel and then they take you back. Party time. As I mentioned earlier, this is a round trip tour. So after the boat ride is over, they do let you stay here in downtown Cabo San Lucas. So there are 3 times to go back to your hotel. So at 1:30, right when the boat tour is over, 3:30 or 4:30. So we chose the 4:30 one so we could just eat here, walk around the marina, and just enjoy the town for a bit.
Why you staring out the window? Oh, with the rain.
So today is Thursday. I am announcing the day because we are right now in San Jose del Cabo, and on Thursdays there is a Thursday night art walk. So you can come here to San Jose del Cabo, which is about, I believe, 30 minutes from Cabo San Lucas, but unfortunately there is no art walk today, and we didn't know that. My mom said that when she was here, what, 2 years ago?
2019. This place was incredible. It's like full of people that do art, that do like crafts, but it was like, you cannot believe you can even walk and you can eat everything. Like really good stuff, but we didn't know it was canceled for COVID.
It looks like a ghost town right now. There's nothing here. We asked around and it's only been closed for 3 Thursdays, so it has been open. But I guess they just closed again because of COVID. It really sucks. Just gonna walk and see the town. Enjoy ourselves here.
Going downtown, we can park bar so we can walk while it's raining. Sun is still out, makes it feel like we'll break into dance like the movies. Taking pictures by the street, our golden hour hits you different. Holding your hand, lead us through town, find a spot to finish our ice cream.
Here we are at the Marina. We already checked in. As you can see, there's a lot of party boats here behind me. Well, there's one here, there's one over there. So it's really popular to take a sunset cruise and to drink and have an open bar and have a dinner. Actually, the pirate tour wasn't our first option. We were trying to look for other tours, but this was the only one available because everything booked so quickly. So today's Friday, and I looked for tours a week and a half ago, and all of the Friday party boat tours were already full because right now they're at 30% capacity, so they book up super quickly. Some of the other party boat tours that they have is a Sunset Fajita cruise, the Cabo Wave, the Jungle Cruise, and then there's even ones that include snorkeling. So it just depends what kind of vibe you guys want to do, but we just wanted to have fun because it's my mom's birthday, so we just wanted to dance and have a good time. Hi guys, so this is the final tour that we're doing here at Cabo. So we rented this tour from Cabo Adventures. This is one of like the biggest, I would say, tour places here at Cabo. They have a lot of activities. So the activities that we're doing is 3 in 1. We're doing the camel ride, ATVs, and an eco farm. They do include ground transportation, which is nice. They pick you up from the hotel. Then you take another bus, which takes like 15 minutes to get here to the location where all the activities are located. Apart from paying the tour, which is a little bit pricey, I would say, that it was about $150, $140, and then you do have to pay an entrance fee of $20 for the park, and then if you take the ATVs, you do have to pay $35. It doesn't matter if it gets damaged or not, you still have to pay the $35. I mean, that ain't right. Keep that in mind. So be rough with them. Don't be like, oh yeah, here's my money. Be like, no, 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 I'm not gonna pay that. Here's my cards. Charge it in that if something happens, you know? It's one of the most pricey tours here, but you do get to do a lot of stuff in just one day. So it's nice, and I actually can't record, so I'm gonna have to leave my camera in a locker that they offer for you, and my phone, you can't take it. Even though the camels are domesticated and everything, they just think it's better for you to leave your stuff so you don't lose your phone, or so your phone doesn't get damaged, or a camera. The cool thing is that they do include all the pictures and videos, and they even take a drone video, I think, when you're in the camels. All of the footage will be sponsored by Cabo Adventures, not me. See you when I'm in the camels or in the ATV or at the Echo Farm. This is made out of camel poop. It's recycled paper from camel poop. Hi guys, so talking about the beach, this is the beach section. So the most famous beach in Cabo San Lucas is Medano Beach. That's the beach that's in the center, kind of downtown part of Cabo San Lucas. But there's also two other beaches that are kind of local beaches, I would say. There's not a lot of tourists, and it's better if you want to go somewhere where it's more calm and you just want to enjoy the local beach. So the first beach would be Playa El Chileno, and then the second one is Playa Santa Maria. So if you just want to be somewhere more relaxed, where there's not a lot of people, not a lot of vendors, you can just go there and chill out. So we are right now in the private beach that the resort has. So if you do choose to stay at a resort or at a hotel, choose one that's near the beach, not the marina, just so you can have that private access to the beach, and there won't be a lot of vendors here, even though they still have vendors. Bought some rings here, some matching rings, and my mom brought a bracelet slash anklet, so we still fell for it.
I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie, I've been so patient, like when.
Hi guys, I'm filming this outro in this palapa section over here. So this is my last day here in Cabo San Lucas. I had a great time here. It couldn't have been better. I mean, we did so many things. We did a lot of tours. We stayed here at the hotel for a while. So apart from the activities that we did, you can also do so many other things. I mean, I only showed you not even half of the activities over here. If you go to the marina, I swear you can come here to Cabo, not have a plan, go to the marina and plan your day. I swear so many people will try to sell you tours, and some of them are really good ones. I would recommend going to Cabo Adventures, and I swear everyone will try to sell you a tour, even the waiter at your restaurant or the hostess at the restaurant. So don't even have to worry about it. But I'm someone who likes to plan stuff in advance, but spontaneous things are also nice. You can come here and you can do snorkeling, you can do parasailing, you can do scuba diving, you can do zip lines. If you rent a car, that's something that I would have liked for us to do. If you rent a car, maybe here in Cabo, you can also take a day trip. You can go to the city of Todos Santos. That's the city where the famous Hotel California is from the Eagles song. So you can go there during the, I would say spring. I think it's during, November, April. they do this Save the Turtles, and you can go and take the turtles at the sea. That's something that I would have loved to do. And Todos Santos is about an hour and 30 minutes from Cabo San Lucas. So if you have a car, you can just take a day trip over there and spend the day and just discover a new city while you're here in Mexico. Another thing that you can do is visit the capital of Baja California Sur, which is La Paz. It is only 2 hours away from Cabo. So if you rent a car, that's another great place to go, and you can even visit the famous Playas Balandras. That's also another nice beach that you can visit. So there's a lot of things to do here around Cabo, not only the ones that I showed you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this travel guide. If you guys know any other cool places to visit, any other like hidden gems here, you can comment down below and just tell us about the places that you know that we don't know. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here in my Cabo San Lucas trip. I hope to see you guys soon. Comment, like, subscribe, push that notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload another experience or another travel guide here for you guys. And I guess I'll see you guys soon. Bye.